walking down the streets, feeling the breeze. In the sunshine state where dreams come with ease. Palm trees swaying with the ocean in view. This is the place where I always feel brand new. Sipping on a smoothie, chilling by the shore. Got my shades on, feeling like I can't be ignored. Sun-kissed skin, feeling so alive in the soft rap game. I strive to thrive. Waves crashing on the sand as I ride the vibe. Soft rap flowing, let the rhythm collide. I'm the king of this groove with the catchy hook. Got the ladies moving and the fellas shook. Just down the boulevard with the top down low. Music blasting loud, feeling the flow. Neon lights flicker in the night's embrace. Lost in the moment, in this rhythmic chase. Catching glances from strangers as I pass them by. In the city of dreams where stars light up the sky. Every step, every verse takes me close to the high. In this soft rap world where I spread my wings and fly. Waves crash, my wings and fly. Waves crashing on the sand as I ride the vibe. Soft rap flowing, let the rhythm collide. I'm the king of this groove with the catchy hook. Got the ladies moving and the fellas shook. Underneath the blazing sun, where the sky meets the sea, I find my inspiration.
Hey guys, welcome back to CYT channel. Today we have Scott here. Scott is actually the car owner of the RWB. Scott, so how are you doing today?
Very good, brilliant day out here at Porsche Melbourne.
What got you into the RWB?
So I've always had Outlaw 911s and Outlaw 356s.
To those of you who doesn't know about Outlaw Porsche, you can look up Madness Walker. He's one of the major Outlaw Porsche collector. Their principle is drive every day like a race.
And I think at some point, if you're going to do an Outlaw style car, you really need to do an RWB.
It is. So did anything inspire you into this color?
So the reason why I picked this colour, it's Miami blue, so it is a standard Porsche colour. But I saw a video, I think it was by Bing Wicked, and they had a Ford GT painted in Miami blue, and it looked brilliant. Similar kind of wheels, and I was like, that's it for me, that's the colour.
Yeah.
So originally, although it's a Porsche colour, I actually picked it from being painted on a Ford.
Yeah, wow. And what size are these wheels?
These are 18s and the rear tyre is a 295. So I know that very well because I had a blowout once and I had to find one of those tyres.
Yeah.
Not many people carry a 295.
I know, right?
Yeah, that's a problem.
Okay, so I want to ask you one very tricky question as well. So what is the joy? I ask this to everyone, to every single person I interview. What is the joy that car gives you?
So I drive this.
Yep.
So I've got a collection of friends that I came here with today. I drive this. We're off to Sydney in it at the end of the month. Yep. So there's an 8-hour, 9-hour drive in an old.
Wow.
So the joy I get is I get out of work, I get in an old car, and just drive and have fun with friends.
Yeah.
And that's really what it's all about for me.
I think that's all about for all of us.
Yeah.
All right. It is a very short interview, but it was really, really lovely to talk to you.
No problem. Right. Thanks, guys. Give him a subscribe and follow.
Thanks. One last thing, guys, I just want to say thank you Porsche Melbourne for such a great event, and play one of the clawing machine. I got myself this tiny Porsche figure, and I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but it is. Anyway, thank you Porsche Melbourne. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you next time.